Hi. Look, we have some instructions. Always my favorite. Now let's get started. Here we have corn on the cob. Why don't you show it to them?
Wow.
And then we have Tommy here. Big brownie, wow. And we have Ice Cream Dream.
I like that one.
And we have the toilet paper. And it's my favorite.
Put it up on top, so. What do you have there?
We're gonna do this.
A blind bag?
First, we're gonna have to get these things out. Now we're ready to open it. Here, I'm gonna do it. I've been waiting for this one. Pumpkin pie. I've been waiting for this one.
Let me see.
Oh my god, I haven't seen that one.
That was pretty cool. Now I'm gonna put them on.
Put them right here so I can see them. Wow.
I think
Is it an ultra rare or a rare?
I'm gonna put them back in their basket.